Welcome to Paoay in Ilocos Norte, and welcome to Anthro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. Introduction. Pre-colonial Ilocano communities engaged in agriculture, cultivating crops such as corn, onions, vegetables, root crops, and tobacco. The plains of Ilocos Norte are only partly conducive to agriculture as the soil tends to be dry and the water tends to be scarce. Hence, crops that don't need a lot of water to thrive, such as onions and tobacco, became the main crops of the region. As a coastal region, fishing and maritime trade also became important sources of livelihood. Indigenous societies in Paoay were organized into barangays, which were autonomous communities led by a local leader. The barangays functioned as political, economic, and social units. The communities had rich cultural traditions, including music, dance, and rituals tied to agricultural cycles and spiritual beliefs. Ancestor veneration and worship of nature deities were common elements of the religious practices. The arrival of the Spanish colonizers in the 16th century marked a significant shift in the history of Paoay. Spanish influence introduced Christianity, altered local governance structures, and initiated changes in land use and economic systems. During the Philippine Revolution against Spanish rule in the late 19th century, Ilocanos, including those in Paoay, played a role in the quest for independence. Notable figures from the region, such as General Antonio Luna, were instrumental in the fight against Spanish colonization. The colonial period left a lasting impact on the cultural, social, and economic landscape of the region. Spanish influence is evident in the architecture of churches, the introduction of Catholicism, and the integration of Filipino and Hispanic traditions.